Hello and welcome to today's video. You might soon start to wonder how many bus lines can originate at one regional metro station in a city as small as Helsinki, and the answer is many. We are back in Herttoniemi and today we're going to create bus line number 84, which correctly once again starts from the metro station. It stops at Laivalahdenportti and at Linnanrakentajantie, but then it takes a turn of its own. And the following stop after the turn, this surprising turn of events, is called Kaivolahden katu, Brunnsviksgatan. And now let's have a look here. Well, I will not become any wiser there. So, Kaivolahden katu, Brunnsviksgatan is gonna be right next to the lake over here. That's it. So there we shall put the stop. Oops. That's it. And then the following stop is called Tuoriniemi. And that's not very far. Tursnes. It's not very far from the previous stop. Then we will stop at, there is a bit longer way until the next stop. And that following, but there is a stop. The bus just does not stop there. A very interesting solution that, well, because the following bus will stop there, but it's a one-way stop and there are stops right next to it, I think we will skip that. So, Yliskylä Center, it is Uppy Centrum. And that's gonna be over here. But wait, let's not make stupid mistakes here, because obviously when the line returns, it will stop at the other side of this stop. It doesn't. Okay, an interesting thing to have here. Well, in that case, I will just fix this issue with future lines and regret this later, leaving the stuff behind me. 1 second, which I should be doing already. We'll need a bridge in here. All right, that section has been covered. And then let's see, comes Koirasaaren tie Hundholmsvägen. And it doesn't really turn there yet. It's the following crossing, and it's over here. Then we have Lauri Mikonpojan tie Lars Mikkelsons väg. And then we'll take a left turn here, and the following stop will be at Rudolfsvägen. There we go, and it's in a crossing right over here. And then the following stop is at the Kasperinkuja, which would, by all logic, be called Kaspersgränd. No, it's Kaspergränden. I will never understand how this works. Then we will stop at Svanströminties, Svanströmsvägen, which comes just before the crossing over there. The following stop is at Gunillan polku, Gunillastigen. And then we have Taavonlahden koulu. And then just before the terminus we stop at Otonku ja Ottogrenden. And finally, Gunillantie, Gunillavägen, which is also the terminus. It is a one-way stop. I will make it a two-way stop, just to make things easier for myself. Once again, you see how good I am at this. Being lazy. But that's me. And there we go. I will not yet be placing any more signals to this loop because I'm not really sure where this will eventually lead to when I've created the rest of the lines. in this area. But yes, line 84 is ready to be created. And it will start in here and basically just run through all these new stops until it makes a turn in Herttoniemi and then comes back. Once again, these 80s lines, they seem pretty short and straightforward, which is very welcome, because when I start creating the lines in Espoo, nothing is short and straightforward anymore. The lines are extremely long and, well, sometimes pretty difficult to comprehend. But this is just an 11-kilometer line, which makes it a fairly short line. Once again, even in the terms of, well, even when considering the scale of Helsinki. So that's it, created. Then let's open it for, where is it? There is it. There it is. It's to passenger service. Then it's once more going to check on the timetable, which is, it runs every, I would make that around 40, no, it runs at 10 minutes at the busiest schedule. Well, that's quite a lot actually, so it runs every 10 minutes. Okay, that's a lot. 984. Luckily, the line is so short, I will only need 4 of these. To make up for it. There. That's it. One more line has been created, and as usual, I will be back tomorrow with a new video. That's all, folks. Bye.